singing so much. I've been so focused on business and work and stuff lately that I haven't sung in like a while. I forgot my mic. I'm gonna grab that. Or should I just stay here? You tell me to stay. Ooh. Let me try to hit that note. One sec. Yeah. There's a higher note that I was trying to hit that actually like sucked, but you know, what can you do? I'm gonna get my mic. I'll be right back. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Look, so I'm a musician at heart, right? And the thing that I love most about music is that it allows for you to explore different realms of your soul. Music is my everything. It's math. Music is math. There's no difference between music and math, so I respect both. They're the same. They're interconnected, actually. Okay, I'm gonna try to sing this.